Aloha and welcome to a beautiful May 2020 day in Wailea, Maui. This is Jeremy Stice of Hawaii Life Real Estate Brokers and Hawaii Life Vacations greeting you from residence 1106 at the Wailea Ekolu Vacation Rental Complex in the heart of Wailea. Just fantastic unobstructed views looking at Molokini crater and the island of Kaho'olawe directly ahead. Open channel where you can see fantastic seasonal whale watching, the island of Lanai directly ahead, and then West Maui further to the northwest. You will also catch glimpses of the occasional fireworks show that is done here in Wailea, overlooking the Grand Wailea Resort in the distance and Wailea Beach directly below. So a stunning garden-like setting with beautiful tropical flowers. You see the bougainvillea, the red tea leaves, areca palms, nice plumerias. This is all captured from the spacious covered lanai with ample seating. Fantastic to enjoy your favorite book, some al fresco dining. Doesn't get much better than this from Wailea Ekolu 1106. This is a second floor or top floor, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, fully furnished vacation rental residence that has been very well done with some coastal contemporary Hawaiian decor. Nice large flat screen TV, some swivel chairs, tile flooring with accent rugs throughout. Dining for 4. Beautiful chandelier. Pull-up bar seating. Stainless appliances all around. The kitchen is very well equipped from a home away from home. Fantastic views from the kitchen itself. Our little welcome gift that we leave all of our Hawaii Life Vacations guests. Nice high open vaulted ceilings. Triple zone split air conditioning throughout the home. Keeps it nice and cool. Very tasteful decor. The entryway with the secure keyless lock entry, the kaba lock. And a stunning garden-like setting leading up to the residence. Got some flower trees, more hibiscus, ginger, plumeria, looking out towards the golf course. Hear the birds chirping, and then looking up towards the lush slopes of mighty Haleakala. Open concept living. And then turning the corner to the master bedroom. King bed, Tempur-Pedic, very well done. Ample closet space with its own balcony and tremendous ocean views from said balcony. Looking out towards Lanai and West Maui. Flat screen TV. Washer and dryer just around the corner. Single sink vanity, and then walk-in shower. And then transitioning to the second bedroom. Currently set up with a queen bed and its own mountain and garden facing balcony. And again, another flat screen TV with high-speed wireless internet provided throughout the home. And then the bath for the secondary bedroom. So once again, this has been a tour of the finest 2-bedroom residence here at Wailea Ekolu, proudly offered by the Stice team at Hawaii Life Vacations. You can find us online directly at vacations.hawaiilife.com or inquire with our team at Maui Vacations at hawaiilife.com. Wailea Ekolu, residence 1106. This is Jeremy Stice of Hawaii Life Real Estate Brokers and Hawaii Life Vacations saying aloha and welcome to Wailea Ekolu 1106. Ahui ho.